Welcome, my name is Kujusi, the admin of CJ Forex. On this video, I'm going to be taking you on weekly analysis in this December 2022. Our analysis is going to cover from the 26th of December 2022 to the 30th of December 2022. We are going to be looking at what the market is going to look like this end of the year, and we are going to look out for opportunity to benefit on this particular end of the year 2022. But before we go on, I need to summarize what CJ Forex Global is all about. CJ Forex Global is not a broker company, but we are training institutions. So our main aim is to train people that have been in this forex business for a very long time, who have been making series of loss, and also beginners, someone that want to trade forex but doesn't have idea. We have already created a system for you, so you don't need to stress yourself. We offer different services, but our main team of service is training. Okay, so on this training, we have different section of training. We offer basic, intermediate, we offer basic, intermediate, we offer advanced, we offer pro, and we offer apprentice and masters. Okay, so these are the services on the training we get to offer you on the academy. Okay, so at the end of the day, we also have other services that can provide money for you while you are learning. That is why we call it N and learn. Okay, learn while you are learning. Okay, so we offer other services, just like if you look at it here, we sell EA robots, we sell cash flow strategy, we sell price entry and alert indicator, we offer account management, and we provide signal, paid signal in our paid channel. So any of this service you wish, you click on it, open it, it will direct you, you make payment, and you subscribe to the academy or whatever service. All of them, you can subscribe to any of them and then be benefiting on each of this service. Okay, so let us go back to the reason why this video was created. This video will expire on the 30th of December 2022. So if after this 30th of December, this analysis will not be relevant again, but you can also use it as a data reference. Okay, well, let us look into the market overview for this coming week we are entering. So let's go. We are going to be starting with DXY. Like I said earlier, DXY is an asset in FX market. We use it to gauge the strength of dollar. So if DXY is weak, that means dollar is weak. And if DXY is strong, dollar is strong. And dollar is strong against other pairs, and dollar is weak against other pairs. So let us look at what happened last week. Okay, last week, if you look vividly, you will see that market was fiercely rejected, despite the last 2 weeks was fiercely rejected by the monthly support. Okay, the market was rejected by the monthly support and created a smaller it was rejected here. So we are expecting this week, and the second week again, the market was rejected. So what we are expecting, that the market is going to rise to this point. Okay, it's going to rise to this point. Okay, so that we're looking at them dollar gaining momentum this coming week we are entering. That means dollar is going to gain strength against every other pairs. Okay, let us look at Euro GBP. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you should know what we are going to be expecting. So on Euro GBP, there is a sign of weakness, but we want to look at look at the last week candle. Okay, on this week candle, there was increase in momentum and there was willingness to continue going up. So on last week, which is last Friday, the market was showing weakness, reduction in the bullish side, which means that the market will first of all pull back before starting to go up this coming week to go and meet the last weekly resistance level at that point. So we should be expecting a bullish move on Euro GBP. That means at the early stage of the week, British pounds is going to gain strength against Euro. But before the end of the week, the market will go up again, getting to touch the weekly resistance level. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you probably know what to do to be able to gain and make money this coming week, being December and the ending of the year. Okay, let us look at GBP USD. So on the GBP USD, you find out that GBP is weak, but at this early stage, we are expecting GBP to go up at the early stage of getting to touch the support level, the resistance level, before it pull down and end the week with a bearish sell. Remember, dollar is going to gain strength this week, so we are expecting dollar to drag the market down. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you probably know what parameters and setup need to be made before you consider going into the market. Okay, so on Euro USD, the same thing. Euro USD, dollar, Euro USD, and GBP USD, they are correlated. If you're a student of CJ Forex or you have gone through the intermediate or advanced section, you would have known what is called currency correlation in different angle. Okay, so now on this aspect, they so related. So the same thing will happen. The dollar, euro will go a little bit up and then pull back and then start selling. So we should be expecting a sell move on Euro US. Australian USD, the same thing, they are correlated. Same thing, move up, go down. Okay, dollar is going to gain strength. Remember, we said DSY is going to gain strength against other pairs. So that means that any pair that DSY is being paired with is going to rise and get is going to show the value, because if dollar index is rising, it means that the dollar will be dragging that asset. If it is a base asset, it will drag it down. If dollar is the put the base asset, it will drag it up. That's how the market is. So let us look at crude this coming week. At the early beginning of the week, we are expecting crude to make a pullback, maybe go down a little bit. Look at the weekly time frame. There was still a increase in strength, so crude is going to gain momentum this week. We are entering, but it first fall down, showing a fall down. If you're a student of CJ Forex, you probably know why you should buy at this when the market is set up. Australian USD, US card, sorry. On US card, if you look at US card is going to gain momentum. In if you look at it like this, you see that there was a reduction in strength on the US side, then it was at the level of resistance, weekly resistance. So last week tried to engulf it, so we are expecting this week to fall down to touch the weekly support. So expect a bearish move on the beginning of this week. So let us look out for GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, the market have already shown sign of weakness, but let's look at what happened. Yes, the market got to touch the weekly support level, which is this place. It got to touch it, and then it's coming down, it's coming up again. So we should be expecting a bullish move on GBP JPY. Okay, but it's not that sorry, let me pause here. I think let me rearrange this analysis. Okay, on this asset, GBP GBP is weak, so we should be expecting GBP JPY to sell this coming week, because it has already broken. This particular one broke previous low. So, and if you look at this place, it also broke it. So we should be expecting GBP JPY to sell to this point. Okay, so this coming week, I know normally it's going to make a pullback, a little bit pullback like this. Maybe it's going to make a little bit pullback, but the main motive is to sell down to this point. Okay, this place. Okay, it will sell down to here and here. So let us expect a bullish move before a bearish move. But you should know that the market is going to make a bullish move based on what we have seen on the daily time frame. So you should be expecting at the initial stage, the market will surely go up. Okay, it will go up before it will start coming down. So maybe throughout next week, it's going to take the market will take it will first of all show a bullish move and then later start selling again. So on the gold aspect, let's look at gold, what gold is going to look like. At the beginning of the week, gold is going to make a bullish move but end up becoming bearish at the end of the week because dollar is stronger than gold. So we should be expecting at the early stage of the week, gold is going to make a bullish move and then end up being bearish. Okay, so if you're a student of CJ Forex, you probably know what to do. The same thing with S&P 500. For you that trade S&P 500, you know S&P 500 is very volatile, but it's very rich when it comes to moving. So now we should be expecting S&P 500 to make a bullish move. Okay, let's see what it will look like. Okay, last week it was not even rejected by the weekly support. It was okay, so we should be expecting. Okay. So this coming week we are expecting S&P 500 to make a bearish move. It will first of all go up. That means we should be expecting an up move before the market will go down. So this week we should be expecting S&P 500 to rise to the weekly the support, the resistance level, which is this level on the weekly time frame. It will get to this place and then start falling. Okay, if you use daily time frame, you will see it will start falling. It will fall down to here. So maybe this coming week is going to occupy this space. We are expecting this space to be occupied this week. So this week S&P 500 is going to gain momentum against the pair with. Now on this particular asset, and ND100 Nasdaq, ND100 is going to make a bullish move. You know, S&P 500 and ND100, they are correlated. Okay, so the S&P 500 is going to make a bullish move and then come down again. The same thing in GBP Australian. On GBP Australian, the same move. GBP is going to go a little bit up at the early stage of the week and then end up. Remember, this week GBP is going to be weak, so that is it. Let us go to synthetic assets. On synthetic asset to look at what the synthetic asset is going to look like. On V75, for those of you that trace V75, V75 is going to rise this week. If you look at what happened last week, you see that there was an indecision created here. So the market is preparing to buy. So at this coming week, it's going to buy. Okay, it's going to buy and then maybe later on it will still come down again and then buy to this point. Okay, so at the initial stage we should be expecting the market to first of all buy to this point, pull back a little bit, then come up here and then start falling again. So that is what we should be expecting this week on V75. V75 general move is a bullish move. On the boom asset, the boom asset is going to make the similar move. It's going to first of all buy, pull back, then buy to this particular level. Then on the V25, the same thing, buy like this, pull back, come down. And so that is what our market overview for this week looks like. Don't forget to enroll into CJ Forex Online Academy. It will make you to become a better trader and you become a consistent, profitable maker instead of you to be jumping from one platform to another looking for opportunity. Why not give it a try and enroll into CJ Forex? Subscribe from the basic down to the masters. I know it will cost you money, but at the end of the day, you end up becoming a profitable trader. Thank you once again and have a nice day. My name still remains Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forex.